Everybody, Brian BH35 Sports Cards. We are doing 2015 Topps Platinum Football. 6-box break number 1. On your screen are your teams. Got Topps Chrome Mini in the store. Looks like it's going to be more popular than Bowman Draft Super Jumbo at the moment. Okay, there you go. There's everybody's squads. I'm going to slice this bad boy open and take out the boxes, roll for which side we do. I hope this is platinum and not chrome. Yeah, 1220. All right, 1, 2, 3 this side, 4, 5, 6 this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. So these will be for number 2, which will go next. And then we'll do whatever fills first. Super Jumbo, Draft Super Jumbo, or Topps Chrome Mini number 3. All right, good luck, everybody. Color problem. Okay, let's take a look. See what we got. There's the base. Base. I guess these are gold dummies, 1 per pack maybe. Josh Robinson is your first hit. 10 out of 10. How about that for the Colts? Forsyth. Boom. Ertz. Charles Suggs. X-Fractor of Matt Jones. Oh, Marcus Mariota, rookie. Darren McFadden. David Cobb, Von Miller, Vince Mayo, Tyler Lockett X Fractor. Is the chat working? Philip Dorsett, Rob Gronkowski, Austin Hill auto for the Jets, White Sox fan Casey, Jameis Winston, Vontae David, Trey Waynes, die cut, Jameis Winston, Bucks. Those are not numbered. DeMarco, Amari Cooper, Sean McCoy, Devin Funchess, Matt Stafford, TJ Yeldon, Sean Mannion, Jared Allen, Javorius Allen, Matt Ryan, Duke Johnson, Tyler Croft blue, not numbered, Ty Montgomery, Al Shalom, TJ Yeldon, Eddie Lacy, Tevin Coleman. Devonta Parker, Jordan Matthews, Tyler Lockett, and 125 Leonard Williams. Looks like a Cypress Hill card. Jets on the board with 2 hits in the first box. And I don't know how they sell packs of this in the store. That jumbo patch sticks out like a sore thumb. I wouldn't be surprised if they did. Or they take it out and sell it for more. Well, what? It's excusable, right? Because they have to cover their overhead. Darrell Green Beckham, Brett Hundley, Jordy Nelson, Amir Abdullah, Andrus Pete, Kevin White, Greg Hardy on the Panthers, huh? Vince Mayo, David Johnson, Bryce Petty. Jets are hot. Vic Beasley. You see, the Bears is awful quiet on this one. Philip Dorsett, Colts to 150. The Colts and the Jets are killing it. Kenny Bell. Eddie Lacy die cut. And we got Jesse James, Steelers. First baseball player to play for 4 teams. 4 different. For a team 4 different times. Steve Lyons. Phil Necro's a great guess. I played for everybody. Ricky Henderson. Haha, yeah, baby. What's up, Jay Verts? Tyler Lockett, Jared Allen, Javoris Allen, Matt Ryan, Duke Johnson, Sammy Coates Blue, Phillip Rivers, Ty Montgomery, Devonta Davis for the Eagles. K1469. Jameis Winston. I think these cards look pretty good. Not bad. Le'Veon Bell die cut. Todd Gurley. And you got, going like this, Justin Hardy. Lackluster patch. Falcons. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You might be right. Well, it would have been backwards. Right? Carlos Williams, Bills. Oh, you know why, Patch? Because it might have been, I might have mixed up the packs. So we'll keep a count on the total, because I think I took them like that and then like that and then. So you got 3 balls and 3 strikes. How many pitches can they face? 6. Without touching the ball? Is there some sort of freak incident that would lead to it? Not yet, JB Fry. Not baseball season yet. Jeff Heuerman /99 for the Broncos. White Sox fan, Casey. TJ Yeldon, Chandler Jones, another Mariota. I think that's 3 of them. Die cut, AJ Green. Things look sharp. Oh, 2 balls and 2 strikes. What if it's 3 balls and 2 strikes? Okay, I'm trying to go through it in my head. If it's a full count, 3-2, there's a runner on first, and there's 2 outs. Cameron Artis-Payne to 150. The pitcher throws over to first, and the guy's out. Ends the inning. Then he would have faced 5 pitches already, right? And then he can face 6 more without hitting the ball. So 11. That's a tricky question. I like it. All right, who do we got now? That's a nice one. I like that one. I love this part of the Seahawks patch. Tyler Lockett for Day Ryder. Yeah, these patches are better than Finest. What's up, Tripped Up? Man, I don't know. When did free agency start? Rod Carew? I think Killebrew stayed in Minnesota his whole life, or his whole career, no? What's up, Cab? How's it going, buddy? Honestly, JoJo, all that does is confuse me. Justin Hardy, Falcons to 150. D-Nuke, Cameron Artis-Payne. Yeah, as of Friday. Came out on Friday. Topps Platinum Football. J.I. to 150 for the Dolphins. White Sox fan, Casey. You know, there's two jumbo patches in this stack. I'm going to open the rest of these. Bud Dupree. Yeah, I agree. I did too. Yep. Maybe they'll learn their lesson next time they get a shot at a license. We didn't do it yet. There's 2 sitting in that stack right there. So are we going to stay with football and do Topps Chrome Mini next? Or are we going to go with Super Jumbo? I have to ship tomorrow, so I won't be on. So take your pick. Mike Evans, Clive Walford, Chris Conley. Rob Gronkowski. Jalen Strong, X Factor. Kevin White. We're going tribute's done for the night. We already did tribute. Landon Collins to 10 for the Giants. Look at that. 6 out of 10. Boom. The G-Men. Black Chalk. There you go, buddy. It was great. It was great. Had a Lou Gehrig bat relic. Ken Griffey Jr. auto. Ben Koyak. I think that's enough to make it great right there, but there's some other really cool stuff. It was very Cubs heavy. Congratulations, Damien. It's a sick card. For 11 bucks. For any bucks. Maybe not any. Typically Braves heavy. It was not in this break. Braves heavy. Oh, there was a Jeter relic too. All right, so we got multicolor coming. It's purple. Max Williams. Wow. 91 out of 99. Look at that for the Ravens. White Sox fan Casey. Two more to go. Two more of those jumbo dogs. I don't know. I'm in love with Tribute Special Edition. I think it's awesome. No. Nope. They did the right thing and not numbered them. Ty Montgomery to 125 for the Packers. Forsyth. Tyler Croft. Darrell Green Beckham. And everybody knows who that is. Boom. Monty. Damn. That is sick. 39 out of 40. Marcus Mariota. That's a way to end the break, huh? Yes, sir. I think somebody asked for a recap. I don't think that's too rough of a thing to do real quick. Run through these. Just the hits, though. So you had your Mariota that we just saw. Boom. Max Williams to 99. Ben Koyak to 99. Jay Ajayi to 150. Heuerman to 99. Carlos Williams. Philip Dorsett to 150. Bryce Petty. Jesse James. Austin Hill. Leonard Williams to 125. Josh Robinson, 10 out of 10. Ty Montgomery to 125. Landon Collins to 10. Justin Hardy to 150. Cameron Artis-Payne to 150. Sick little Tyler Lockett. Justin Hardy. And Devontae Davis. So that's it for this side. Thanks, everybody.